Hello, I'm at our latest listing at 101 Prudential Drive, Suite 1209 in the Midland Lawrence area of Scarborough. This is a large, renovated, one-bedroom unit with an amazing clear view. Unit 1209 has been thoughtfully and tastefully updated and renovated throughout. For example, look at this kitchen. New cupboards, brand new ceramic tile floor, new dishwasher, new side-by-side Samsung fridge, and they thoughtfully did a whole run of new cabinets, the length of this galley kitchen. Tons of room to work. This unit boasts an open living dining space with newly refinished parquet floors. They're great. Floor-to-ceiling windows showcase this epic, clear south view. Imagine having breakfast out here on this really spacious balcony. The bedroom, wall-to-wall storage. California king even, if you want it. If not, a queen, a little workspace, a chair, whatever you like. Updated 4-piece bathroom, Ensuite laundry, and extra storage inside the unit. Unit 1209 has value, opportunity, comes with one underground parking spot, ample visitor parking, outdoor pool as well. We're close to major highways, transit, shopping. Okay, that's our tour. If you're interested, and I know you are, we're happy to show you around, tell you anything else you need to know. Let's do this.